Welcome to Ivana Kupala, Ukrainian midsummer festival. Can you imagine jumping over fire, divination, dancing, searching for a magic blooming plant that never existed to make a wish, and more? That's right, this is how Ukrainians celebrate Ivana Kupala.
Feeling so happy, a little bit tired, but it is Ukrainian festival and it is really good, it is busy, people are having fun. Look at these kids, they are enjoying the water in Tokyo. Nice.
In Ukraine, we traditionally celebrate this holiday on the night of July 6 to 7. It was a great event to gather Ukrainians who live and who recently evacuated to Japan, as well as Japanese and international people who wanted to learn about Ukraine. For example, we cooked vareniki dumplings with potatoes as well as signature Ukrainian dish, borscht. Sitting and dancing in big circle, chanting traditional songs, truly felt like a family. It was a celebration for people of any age and any nationality. For a moment, I felt like I was in Ukraine. We also invited artists to share their craft, for example, Petrikivka. Petrikivka is a traditional Ukrainian decorative painting style. It's characterized by colorful floral ornaments.
Слава Україні! Всім дуже сподобався наш петриківський розпис, всі були дуже в захваті. Я сподіваюся, що у них буде ще більше інтересу до української культури.
ボタンカ作りに来ました。
Мотанкаですね. Привіт! Мене звати Саша, і сьогодні ми проводимо цей український фестиваль у Токіо. Сьогодні я допомагала на майстер-класі з виготовлення мотанок. Мене навчила робити мотанки моя мама. Вона пояснила мені основні принципи, технології та що значить мотанка в українській культурі.
It is one of the oldest symbols believed to protect its owner and bring fertility to the homestead.
楽しかったです。
And this is another unique stand of jewelry created by evacuated people to Japan. All of the profits from this jewelry would go to evacuated people from Ukraine that would support their daily life. Another great tradition is to make a flower wreath. This time we also made flower wreath. By tradition, you make a flower wreath, you wear it during the event, for the dancing, but then in the end of the day, we put the flower wreath into the river and let it go. Growing up in Ukraine, traditions had always had a great value, whether it's spending Christmas with my family, or going to church for Easter, or going to the nature and park with friends for Ivana Kupala. And we did our best on this festival to recreate all the traditions and little things that remind us of home on this beautiful festival. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed this little trip to Ukraine and Ukrainian traditions. Enjoy your day. See you next time.